Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to know coordinates in Google Map, and now let's dive right in. Now, to know coordinates on your Google Maps, first open up your Google Map application. And over here guys, in order to find out the coordinates of a certain location on your Google Maps, you'll be just required to tap and hold on the location until you drop a pin over there. And when we drop a pin, you can see guys, either the location or the coordinates are given us over here on this menu when the drop pin appears, or on the search bar you can see there is the pin available for us. Let's go back and let's do that on another location, and let's cancel the pin and let's pin it on another location. And you can see guys, the pin is over here on the search bar, or you can get them over here if the people have added them. In this case, you can see guys, there is no coordinates available for us over here, but the coordinates are given on the search bar, which is at the top of the screen over here. You can see these are the coordinates. Let's go back again, let's close that, and let's try the coordinates for any other location. Tap and hold on it when the pin is dropped. At the top of the screen, you can see guys, there is the coordinates available for us over here. You can copy the coordinates from over there. You can do that on any of the location on Google Maps. Simply tap and hold on the location of which one the coordinates. Either they will be over here on the drop pin section or on the search bar over here at the top of the screen. By this way guys, you'll be able to know the coordinates in Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.